Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to do verification steps KYC in Funded Next. So go to Google, search for Funded Next. This is the keyword. Click the first website here and then you will see this page. Go to your profile icon, my profile. When you go to my profile, go to verification, click on verification. When you click on verification, you will see this page. From this verification steps, just you have two steps from here, just two steps. Upload as you can use a scan QR code, or you can upload check a documentation for your ID and then click start a verification. So just fill this information here. So as I say, go to your verification in my profile in this section, go to verification and then complete your process here. Upload your ID successfully without any problem. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.